안녕하세요 여러분, I'm Suah. Today we are going to be talking about how to say long time no see in Korean. You may have heard this expression used in Korean dramas when two people who have not seen each other for a long time meet each other again. In English, we might say, "Hey, it's been a while," or "long time no see." In Korean, the expression for long time is 오랜만. So, if you want to say that it has been a long time since you last saw someone, you can just say 오랜만 plus 이에요. Simple, isn't it? There are different versions you should use depending on the situation. The former version is 오랜만입니다. For example, 선생님, 오랜만입니다. 건강은 어떠세요? And can you guess the informal version? Yes, that's right. It's 오랜만이야. You would use this if you suddenly ran into an old friend in the supermarket. 어머, 하진아, 오랜만이야. 잘 지냈어? This means, Oh Hajin, long time no see. How have you been? Next, let's talk about using 오랜만 with other verbs. To do that, just add 에 to create the word 오랜만에. Then you will be able to say that you are doing something for the first time in a long while. For example, 오늘 오랜만에 축구를 해서 다리가 엄청 아파요. That means, today I played soccer for the first time in a long time, so my legs are in a lot of pain. We have a detailed resource on how to use long time no see in Korean. It has audio and examples so you can practice. I'll put a link to that resource in the description below. In conclusion, today we have learned how to use the word 오랜만 to say long time no see. If you enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to like and subscribe. It helps us know which videos you found most helpful. We hope to see you again soon, but if not, remember to say 오랜만이에요 the next time you visit. Bye for now!